Dora, we're going to African Vulture's birthday party.
Wow, can I cut the birthday cake for her?
Of course you can. But be careful and be on your best behavior.
Happy birthday!
I'll cut the cake for you. Well, that was your birthday wish from me, so unhappy birthday!
Dora. How dare to ruin African Vulture's birthday cake and wished her an unhappy birthday.
Let's go home right now. You are grounded.
Get to your room now. No more birthday parties for you to be invited. You are grounded for 47 days.
Wah 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 wah.
Happy birthday!